Hey guys, I'm here with Jamil.
Hello.
It's Sunday, my off day, and today I'm going to be taking a portrait from Aura Dome. They're located in LA and Orange County. It's a studio that takes pictures, but they kind of look like Polaroids, and it has like a bunch of different colors. There's like a science behind it. I don't know exactly what it is, but I figured it's just like discontinued film, like expired film. So I thought it would be fun to take have my picture taken. And yeah, I really like analog photography and the way it looks, and it's like really colorful. It looks like watercolors kind of. And then we might go have lunch later. We haven't decided where. And then I'm going to stop by work. I call it work, but it's my studio. I keep referring to it as work. I'm going to stop by and get my drill and a couple of gels and just things I need. Well, yeah, you guys will catch a glimpse of my studio, and I'll show you guys around a little bit, very briefly. But if you guys like what you see, let me know. I'll give you like a actual tour of the studio and show you guys how I store my gels and my supplies. It's not the most organized place, but it all makes sense to me. It's like my organized chaos, but I'm gonna eventually clean it up, and if you guys want me to make a video, let me know. I just took my picture. I can't wait to show you guys. I'm not allowed to touch it right now, so gotta wait an hour. So I'll show you guys in an hour. Sprinkles cupcake after the photo was taken. See, what does it say?
See the you unseen. So it's like the you that is
see
not
the
seen.
you unseen. That's what it says. Okay, so we're here at my studio. I'm just picking up a few things. I should lower my voice. Yeah, thank you. I'm just gonna pick up a few things for my manicure and gels and nail art so I can create new art. I haven't sat down to actually make new art, so I'm gonna take some time right now this weekend to come up with festival looks because spring is right around the corner. These are all Muji drawers that I got a while back, and I love these because I know what's in them. It's a little too much sometimes, and yeah, I try to do my best to organize everything, but there's just so much. Look at all that. All my charms, all the stones. Swarovski stones up here. Also my little LED wire light. It's a wannabe neon light. I had this custom made like 2 years ago. I don't think they're around anymore. It was from an Etsy shop. There's my display. I keep all of my things closed and organized, and everything has to be labeled because of Stapboard. Hot towel, fridge, and yeah, that's it. Oh, also, this is the new lamp that I got. If you saw my first vlog, I mentioned the lamp that I was using, the Odd Light that I returned at Hobby Lobby. I ended up getting this one from Amazon. This one's really cool. It has its own remote control like this, so I can use it and change the settings on it. My speaker, license, some figures I picked up, my drill. Yep. There's Jamil waiting for me. I'm just packing all my stuff in here. Alright, so I just got done picking up a few things from the studio. And oh great, I hit the ceiling. Right now we're just gonna go have lunch. We're gonna go to a Taiwanese restaurant. I've never been there. I heard it's really good. It's called Tasty Noodles and Cerritos. We're in a noodle kind of mood. Chinese noodles to be precise. So after that we're just gonna head home. I don't have much planned today. I might just chill at home, maybe do like a face mask. So I might do that, just kind of pamper myself. the ginger scallion beef, and I got the house noodles with veggies, vegetarian. Has egg and pickle and bean sprouts. It's so good. Okay, so we're back home now, and I want to show you guys how the picture came out. It was really cool. They gave it to me in a box. Here's my picture. There's a lot of pink and orange and a little bit of blue. And it also came with an interpretation. It's really cool. You can see my highlighter. It's like super bright and blinding. It's really popping. And it also came with an interpretation card. So it explains each color. So in my picture, I got magenta, pink, and turquoise. I go inside this like tent, and I had to put my hands on this like metal board. So after I took the picture, she explained to me what the colors meant, and she said that the pink means that I'm a creative type of person. I'm very independent, and she also mentioned something about me not wanting to be in a corporate setting, which is so true because I'm not. I am so sick of the corporate world. That's why I became an independent nail artist. She didn't know that about me though before she told me all this. And she also said that that tiny bit of blue that you see right here, it means that I'm somewhat stressed, a little overworked, somewhat tired, and it's not too much, she said, because it is pretty light. It's not too dark. And the magenta is what others perceive of me. Magenta, free-spirited, artistic, spontaneous, resourceful, ambitious, and innovative. So I thought that was pretty cool. Pretty cool description of me. I kind of agree with that. I mostly agree with the pink and the blue though. The whole like creativity thing and being a little overtired. I do feel tired right now. I know it's barely March. The year just started, but I feel a little overworked and I kind of need some time off. So maybe that's a sign. They also gave me a frame with their Instagram. I think it's like a magnet. Yeah, it's like a magnet. I don't know if I'm going to be using this. That's pretty cool though. Yeah, they were super friendly. After we left, they offered us snacks, and I think it was the first day of opening for this for the studio. I'm not sure if they're going to be permanently in Santa Ana. I'll post the information and their Instagram in the box below. That way you guys can check it out. If you're in the LA area, Orange County area, I recommend it. I had a lot of fun doing this, so I think I might do it again with Jamil. I think Jamil's interested in makeup. I'm taking it off right now with the wipe. I'm gonna go double cleanse. I'm gonna put on a mask and use a sheet mask afterwards. I'm going to be using the Cooling Pore Tightening Mask from Skin Watchers. This is a really good brand. I really like Skin Watchers. I got it in a Mishi box. I haven't used it yet. And it's good for your pores. It tightens your pores. It has green tea, centella. I think it has witch hazel, and it tightens the pores, which is kind of what I need right now. Okay, so I put the clay mask on. I forgot to mention it also has kaolin clay. It's really creamy and not really like, how should I put, it's not dry and thick like most clay masks. This one's really creamy. I'm gonna leave it on for 15 minutes. So for clay mask, I only like to do 15 minutes, no more than that, because it's not good to leave clay mask on your skin for too long because it sucks up all the oils that your skin naturally produces, and it might damage your skin barrier. So I don't like to leave it on for too long because it'll just dry out my skin. You can do some serious damage if you leave it on for more than like 15-20 minutes. I'm just watching Jamil sketch some NSFW. I'm just kidding.
Just doing some figure drawing.
Yes,
just to
figure drawing.
Get some practice in, you know.
Yeah, we're not gonna do anything tonight. We're just gonna stay in. It's pretty late. He has to go to work tomorrow. I don't have to work tomorrow, but I'm sure I'm gonna be doing a lot of chores tomorrow. And record, yeah. So I'm just chilling right now, just pampering myself. It's not often I get to do this. Hey, you.
This is Brody. That's Whip Crack. That's Moody. And that's just Rabbit.
All right.
Good
night, everybody. I'll start recording tomorrow morning, and I don't know what I'm gonna do tomorrow, but we'll see. So yeah, good night. Good morning, everyone. Right now I'm just having my morning coffee, having my toast with peanut butter, and I'm watching Wendy. She's back. Wendy, she's finally back from recovering, watching TV. I like to have the TV as background noise sometimes. So right now after breakfast, I'm just gonna clean up the house a little bit, and I'm doing laundry right now. There's a lot that I have to do today, but it's like all boring stuff like chores and cleaning and things like that. I don't know what I'm gonna do today. Yeah, I just got a package from ColourPop. I placed an order last week because they have free shipping. Let me see. I want to see them in person because I've never stopped by at Ulta to check out the colors, and they don't have a big selection either. So it's always kind of a gamble when I order from ColourPop, but I'm rarely disappointed. All right, so I got one of the Lippy pencils. I've never tried their lip pencils before. This is in the color Oh Snap, and it's kind of like a dusty rose. I love these type of colors because it's like, they look so good on my skin. So it's kind of like a dusty rose. Such a generic way of describing this pink, but I mean that's all I can think of is like a dusty mauve rose. I also bought one of the new plumping lip glosses. They had several colors, but I just wanted it clear so I can put it on top of lipstick, lip liner, and yeah, I just got the clear one. I'm really excited to try this one. It's supposed to plump your lips a little bit and kind of make them look like nice and full and super glossy. I got another lip gloss. This one is in the color Atta Girl. I bought this so that I can layer it on top of like a lipstick or a lip liner. And it has tiny little pieces of micro glitter. Let me see what the So Juicy one smells like. Oh, I don't like it. It has a minty scent. Okay, so I just put on the plumping lip gloss. I don't like that. Ugh, I don't like the flavor. It's kind of tingling right now. It's really, really thick and goopy. But I like how shiny it looks. I can feel it tingling on my lips right now. Ugh, the taste is so gross. I don't understand why a lot of makeup brands they do this where they put that mint taste in their lip gloss. I wonder, is it because people want to have good breath and they think that putting mint scented lip gloss out, I don't know. Is the mint lip gloss gonna help with breath? Like I don't get it. Why do companies do that? Somebody please tell me, because it just baffles me. There are so many brands out there that I love, but they always ruin it with that mint. Yeah, I don't know why they do that, but I really like how shiny this one looks, and yeah, it's not bad. I could do without the flavor. Okay, so I'm just gonna end the vlog right here. It was not an eventful day for me today. I didn't go out. I spent most of the day cleaning the house and doing laundry, and I just started uploading the video ahead of time. Yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.